I'm Eva Raghavendra, the MajorTim.space Stunt for Her Young Ambassador 2022 to 2023. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 360 degrees stunt car from The Entertainer. And this toy is for children who are 6 years and older. The original price is £29.99 as you can see, but it has been reduced to £14.99 at the moment. And it comes in two colours, green and blue. And I have got blue here today. So, as you can see, that's here, it has high grip tyres and it helps with extreme 360 degree tumbling and spinning action. So let's open it up. Ooh, exciting. Okay, that's it. Key. Ooh, wow. It's all not plastic, sorry. It's all cardboard, which is good, and there's no sign of plastic. This is good for the environment. So, let's just cut the card first. Oh my gosh, so cool. I'm gonna keep this here. Just there. I'm gonna get this out. Ooh. So this is the remote control. Okay, let's put this aside. So the remote control needs two AA batteries, and the car itself needs 4 AAA batteries. And just to let you know, the batteries are not included in the package, so you'll have to buy them separately. So, at the back of the package, it has some basic instructions on how to use the remote control. So I need to put in, I need to put in the batteries for the car and the remote, and I will do that and be back very soon. Hello again, the batteries are all in and I can't wait to play with it now. So let's look at the controls and the various maneuvers we can do first. So let's put this here before we start playing. Ooh. Okay. So it says push both sticks up and car moves forward. Okay. Oh, I think I put that the wrong way. Let's do that again. Okay. Okay. Second one is push both sticks down and the car moves backwards. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. The third one, so it says push left stick up and right stick down. The car spins clockwise. It says left stick up. Okay, that's not too much. That was so cool. Okay. Wait, no. We're on 4. Yeah, on 4. Push left stick down and right stick up. Car spins anti-clockwise. So cool! It's making me go dizzy. Okay. 5. it says push both sticks up and car moves forwards, like as we know. And then it says then pull left stick down and the left wheels lift over. So we put them both. Let's see. That was so cool. Let's do it again. Oh, there's one. Okay, so you don't have to remember all of that. You can just start playing with it and then you'll get the hang of it. So guess it was worth the price, which is £14.99 at the moment on 50% sale. And this is perfect for children who are 6 years and older.